We're on the channel is going to be a reading for the next 48 hours, almost personal, all that I need to know about your person. So let's start. After a long gap, I'm not really finding time to be doing readings. Lots of hectic work going on, and time management is not happening good. Okay, so let's start about you and your person. So first card we have for you is Wheel of Fortune. Many of you guys could be having mixed feelings about this connection now. Some days you feel like you're missing them, some days you're fine without them, some days they just piss you off. So it's all happening, okay? What else do we see coming up? But still, you find yourself stuck in the situation. For many of you, you guys are not being able to completely find a way out. Even though it makes no sense to stay in this connection, you guys are not mentally or energetically being able to let go of it. Okay, one more card. With Four of Pentacles, you might be holding back, like not reaching out and all, but that doesn't mean you are out of the connection. Okay, in terms of how is your person thinking about you. With Four of Cups, even they feel ghosted by you. Okay, with Four of Cups, many of you guys could have stopped talking to them quite recently. After something happened, you kind of ignored them or ghosted them completely, and that has got them feeling a little unwanted. Okay, what else do we see coming up? With King of Swords, but even after that, they are wearing a mask. They are not trying to show you that they are missing you or they are miserable without you. They're just trying to behave like they are fine. Okay, but what's their energy like right now? For many of you, this person has thoughts of reaching out, but the problem is every time they write you a message, they possibly delete it as soon as they write something, backspace, whatever you call it. Okay, so many of you guys could have noticed them online, or you have a feeling that this person will message you, and it is true, but then this person deletes the messages, but possibly just writes you a full paragraph and then deletes it. That's what's happening, I believe. Okay, in terms of their honest feelings for you, with Ace of Wands, I still believe that they have that fire for you, that passion for you. In terms of their heart space, in terms of their heart space, trust me when I say this, they still care a great deal for you. Okay, with High Priestess, in the past as well, even if there was no communication happening, they could not feel disconnected to you. Okay, they always felt connected. They always felt like, even though whatever situation you guys had or whatever situation you guys have going, this person feels connected to you. Okay, one more card in terms of their headspace. Headspace, with the world in the reverse, they know that the cycle isn't over. They know that something is still left between the two of you. Okay, in terms of how do they view you now? With the Magician card, they believe that you guys might be manifesting something else or possibly going in a different direction. Okay, how do they see this connection? With Knight of Wands, they believe that for many of you, they believe that you guys might still be sexually interested in them, but emotionally you're slowly moving out. Okay, in the past they did consider this a soulmate connection, but right now they do not know exactly what you want from them. But even if that was the case, for many of you, this person had no intentions of giving you commitment. For them it was more like a fling. Okay, yes, they had feelings, but they had no intention of building on it. You know what I'm trying to say? Knight of Wands, as how do they view the connection? It was like an escape to them. This connection was like an easy come and easy go situation where they, some of you, it was initially sexual. Okay, it was based on attraction. Okay, in terms of what do they want with you now? The Six of Cups, they want to return back to you. Okay, but what are they willing to offer this time? pick another card. See, the problem is this person is still trying to control the situation. Even if they come back, they'll try to control you. I don't see them trying to change their ways much, and that has always been a lifelong problem. In terms of, like, what are their major intentions with you? See, right now, to be very honest, they have not decided based on commitment. That is not decided yet. Okay, I still believe. I'll be very honest with you, regardless if you like it or not. They have no intentions of building together. Even if they come back, it's more like gonna be like a small, like a small. I won't call it a fling necessarily, but it won't last long. It's gonna be a small innings. Okay. One more card in terms of what's the major blockage. We have Four of Wands. For many of you, this person, okay, let me be very straightforward. This person might already be having another connection going for them. Some of you, this person is already married. They have a committed relationship, a partner. If not, many of you guys could be of different religion. That could be one of the major blockages. Okay, for some of you, I believe that you guys have major differences. Okay, something that is considered as a difference. I do not know what you guys consider a difference, but I do see that some of you guys could be very educated, your partner could not, or your partner could be very educated and you are not. Your partner could be earning a hell a lot and you may not, or vice versa. Okay, what else could be a major blockage? For some of you, you guys might be dealing your own, like boss or someone who's like held higher above you. Okay, with Knight of Pentacles, some of you, your person hasn't been taking a lot of fast action, and that drag has delayed the connection so much so that it has almost broken it. Okay, one more card we have is Nine of Wands. That is always playing the victim card. Your partner has always played the victim card that they are not ready. I don't think that this is the right time. I don't have the energy to deal with this. Always playing the victim card. Okay, in terms of where this is going for now. Honestly speaking, for many of you, I believe that the silence is going to end for sure. Okay, I still believe that you won't give in. Trust me when I say this. Even if you totally do not go with my statement, I believe you won't give in. Okay, because you have Five of Swords as your energy. So maybe when they return, you guys would get a little slightly defensive. Okay, you might want to see what the person is up to, so you might play the I don't give a shit card. Okay, one more one more message for the final outcome for now. See, but I still believe if you are asking me whether your person will be back, they will. Okay. But one last card for what can they offer? Not what will they, but what can they offer? See, your person honestly cannot offer much, darling. Okay, your person is still not having what you might want from them. That is a commitment. That is a honest relationship. Okay, with the star card, your person could be balancing too many things right now, and they are not in the right energy to be dealing with you. Honestly speaking, if even if they come back, it's not going to be very mellow. Okay, one card of advice for my dear friends. So right now, darling, you got to decide. Okay, you can't be balancing this connection forever. I've got many clients who are basically holding on to something that you can't even consider a relationship. Okay, you are just wasting your time. Yeah, right. It's easy for me to say, but for me, I'm looking from a different angle altogether. All I see is that you're wasting a couple of years over someone who's not even having any plans of getting married with you. That's how serious it is. Okay, you got to decide. You got to just take few days off maybe from your overall hectic, busy life, and just think about it. You guys have been balancing it, possibly, trying to see the pros and cons, but not deciding on it for far too long. Okay, it's time to decide. Okay, let's take spirit messages. Manipulation, manipulator, sweet words you want to hear. So that's what it's been happening. Your person has all been about manipulating you, you like using some sweet words to get to you, what else. See, right now, another message I'm getting is your person is not serious. It might not be very visible to you, but the bottom card, if you can read, it's not serious. Okay, what else? Be patient, give them space, relax, trust. Right now, you gotta be patient. That was your major advice. You gotta be patient, not because they want time or anything else. You just gotta be patient with yourself. You can't be, if they come back, you can't be going and hugging them and making them feel like they did no wrong by ghosting you. It doesn't work that way, darling. You guys are literally feeding their ego. A narcissist feeds on ego. They don't feed on food, they feed on ego. Okay, they feel good when someone makes them feel wanted, or makes them feel like a fucking king or queen. Okay, um, right now, in terms of advice, okay, for many of you, this was about karmic lessons. This might trigger you a lot, like, why is this guy even saying that? But darling, think about it. Okay, so for many of you, it was about lessons. It has taught you a great deal. Okay, final advice for you guys. Right now, many of you guys, this person could have been cheating on you physically, like they had someone else in the picture. Okay, past still stuck, past in the past. So I would say that you guys have to know about this person is that this person has been giving you bullshit. Okay, they haven't been telling you about their connections with their past person. Someone, they are definitely in connection with someone. They are not single. This much I could guarantee you. Okay, you might possibly deny what I am saying or whatever. That is none of my concern. But the problem is, you should not be suffering. That is the last, that is the major reason why I do videos, so that you guys do not go towards a narcissist, feed their egos and get drained and possibly get dead by a couple of years, holding on to such connections. Mind you, such connections can kill you. Okay, it might be sounding very stupid right now, but mentally it is going to exhaust you to a point that you give up. Okay, so yes, this was your reading, a very serious one, because I am known for such readings. Okay, my honest purpose here is to guide you. It is not to possibly make you feel better. Okay, I hope that is very clear. So yes, if it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. If you want a personal reading with me, do reach on the website and book one for yourself. Okay, again, if you guys want a small reading that is just a yes and a no confirmation, then that is also available on Etsy. Okay, I have some 8 or 9 options down there. Please go and visit. Even if you're not wanting to buy, just go and visit and let me know how my site is looking. Okay, thank you so much for coming in, guys, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Cheers.